Today we step into the world of uncompromised British luxury and craftsmanship. This is the 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner, Bentley's most exquisite four-door sedan, hand-built in Crewe, and designed to set new benchmarks in refinement, performance, and sheer presence. If you thought luxury sedans couldn't get more indulgent, the Flying Spur Mulliner will make you think again. From the very first glance, the exterior makes a commanding statement. The sculpted lines run with precision across the long, elegant body. At the front, you're met with Bentley's signature matrix grille, finished in bright chrome and flanked by crystal-cut LED matrix headlights. These headlights aren't just functional. They refract light like a fine-cut diamond, catching the eye from every angle. The Mulliner rides on exclusive 22-inch polished wheels, with self-leveling Bentley badges that always remain upright, adding a touch of sophistication to even the smallest detail. Every chrome trim piece, every crease in the bodywork, and every curve across its athletic stance reflects hours of meticulous craftsmanship. Move to the side profile and you see the proportions that blend performance with opulence. The long wheelbase emphasizes passenger comfort, while the muscular haunches remind you that this isn't just a luxury cruiser, it's a Bentley, and performance runs in its DNA. The rear is equally striking, with oval-shaped tail lamps, quad exhausts, and the iconic winged Bentley emblem. The Flying Spur Mulliner isn't shouting for attention. It exudes quiet authority, like a tailored Savile Row suit. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of bespoke luxury. The cabin is a work of art, painstakingly assembled by hand. You're greeted with the aroma of the finest hand-stitched hides, sourced from sustainable European farms, covering every surface you can touch. The Mulliner offers a near-infinite choice of leather colors, and in the 2025 model, Bentley introduces exclusive diamond and diamond quilting, a pattern requiring nearly 400,000 stitches per car. Each stitch is perfectly aligned, a symbol of the obsessive detail Bentley pursues. The wood veneers are no less impressive. Customers can choose from rare open-pore woods, glossy burr walnut, or even contemporary finishes like piano black with metal overlays. Mulliner exclusive 3-color combinations elevate the cabin into something uniquely personal. Look closer, and you'll see the turned aluminum finish on the center console, the Mulliner logo embroidered into the seats, and mood lighting flowing seamlessly across the doors. At the center of it all sits Bentley's rotating display, a piece of engineering theater. With the press of a button, the screen flips between a digital touchscreen, 3 elegant analog dials, or a clean veneer panel. It's details like this that make the Flying Spur Mulliner not just a car, but an experience. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class seating with heated, ventilated, and massaging functions, individual touchscreens, and an acoustic environment crafted by a Naim premium sound system that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. But beneath all this luxury lies serious performance. The 2025 Flying Spur Mulliner offers a choice of Bentley's twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 or the mighty 6.0-liter W12 engine, each delivering effortless acceleration. In the W12, you're looking at 626 horsepower, propelling this large luxury sedan from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds, a number that rivals many sports cars. The top speed? Over 200 miles per hour, proving that refinement doesn't come at the cost of adrenaline. Bentley's advanced all-wheel drive and dynamic ride system ensure that whether you're gliding through the city or storming down the Autobahn, the Flying Spur Mulliner remains composed, stable, and engaging. In terms of technology, the Mulliner seamlessly blends cutting-edge innovation with timeless craftsmanship. Features like adaptive cruise control, night vision, head-up display, lane assist, and automatic parking bring modern convenience, while the craftsmanship of analog controls and tactile buttons keeps everything grounded in tradition. Now let's talk about exclusivity and pricing. The Mulliner isn't just Bentley's highest expression of the Flying Spur. It's a statement of individuality. With endless customization options through Bentley's Mulliner division, no two Flying Spurs are alike. The price reflects that exclusivity, starting at around $300,000 and easily climbing far higher with bespoke requests. But for buyers in this segment, it's not about cost. It's about owning a piece of automotive artistry that blends heritage, craftsmanship, performance, and innovation. The 2025 Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner isn't just a car. It's the pinnacle of Bentley's four-door luxury, a rolling masterpiece that captures the essence of what it means to travel in style. Whether you're behind the wheel enjoying its surprising athleticism or being chauffeured in the rear seat, every moment in this car feels special, personal, and unforgettable. So what do you think? Does the Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner have what it takes to sit above rivals like the Rolls-Royce Ghost and Mercedes-Maybach S-Class? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love luxury car reviews, don't forget to subscribe to AWS Motor Reviews for more.